Building a gaming PC on a budget? Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about the essential components you need. Start with the CPU. Look for budget-friendly options that perform well. Next, grab a good GPU. Check for sales or used options online. Don't forget RAM. 16 GB is a sweet spot for gaming. For storage, consider an SSD for faster load times. Choose a budget-friendly case that fits your style. Now, let's assemble your PC. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to install the OS and drivers for smooth gaming. Finally, enjoy your new gaming rig without breaking the bank.